welcome to my channel, Made in Canva with Jeff. I'm Jeff, and I appreciate each and every one of you coming in here and watching this video. What I want to talk about today is the gradients. In particular, just a couple ways. Canva has an app. It's the Gradient app. I've already pulled up my canvas here. This is just a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas here. So let's go in here and get to the apps. You just search gradient and it pulls up the gradient generator right here. You click on that. So here's your color palette. Here's the colors already selected. You can go in and change them. Let's change this one. We'll get let's see here. We'll get a little bit of teal going there. That's the first one. Let's get a little bit of darker color in there on that one. And we'll stay bright, a little bright on that one. Let's go to the fourth one and let's get a little bit of purple in there. And then here's the fifth one. Let's see what we can do with this one. What do you think? We'll go blue on this one. What do you think? There we go. Now check this out. You got all your colors there that you want. You just come on down here. And you got your noise level right here that you can adjust. Excuse me. You got your noise level. Turn it all the way down, and that, it gives more of a softer look. If you turn it all the way up, you see how it brings the noise out in the gradient, in the color palettes. I always like the softer look, so I'll keep it at 0. If you don't like this arrangement here, let's randomize it. Boom! Look at that. It's just going to use all your colors randomly here. Let's do another one. Boom! Ooh, look at that one. That's beautiful there. Let's try another one. Ha! I like it. It's bright. But it's just too much white in there. Let's do another one. I like that one. That gives a rainbow of colors, and what you used here, it got a little bit of everything in there. Let's try one more. No, that's too dark. There we go. Look at that. Anyway, okay, I like that one. Let's use this one. Let's go add it to your design. It's going to put it right in there. It's being slow. So here we go. Check it out. There's your gradient color. So you can use Canva's gradient generator to do that, which is cool. I love it. I love it. Or you can create your own pretty easy, okay? You can go random with this. What I used to do, I kind of get more organized with it. But what I used to do, well, let's go here. Elements. Just do it. Paint. Splatter. Oh, 2 T's. Let's do paint splatter. So you go to graphics here. And we'll just do this. Just throw a paint splatter in there. You can change the color on whatever you want. Let's do a red with that one. Go back here. We'll do a yellow here. Just randomizing it. Let's do this multicolor one. And we'll just slam it with that one. So you get the idea. You can just, let's do this here. Just keep throwing stuff in there. Now you could fill the whole screen with it. Just keep going. We'll throw this one in there. All right. So what you could do now, let's do this one down here. Cover the rest of that up just to save time. What do you think? All right. So with this here, that actually looks pretty cool for random. All right. So here we go. Let's download this page 2. We're going to go page 2 here. We're going to download it as a PNG. Hit download. And it's going to throw it up there. Let's save it as, we'll just leave it as untitled because I won't keep that. All right. So you're going to upload it. You just drop it in there and you don't have to go to uploads. You just drop it in there. All right. Start yourself another page. Add a page on that. Now you downloaded this as a photo now. Okay. Set your image as a background. That actually looks pretty daggone cool for being random. I love that. And you're going to edit photo. Go down here to your blur effect. Click on that bad boy. Do the whole image. And look at that gradient. You just created your gradient right there. You created one in Canva here. And you created one there. I mean, it's, the gradient colors are beautiful. You can design it how you want. Here's another way. You go to your elements here, get rid of this paint splatter. Go get yourself a shape. Let's do the square right here. All right. We're going to do columns here. Widen that up a little bit. Go on down. We are going to duplicate it. Duplicate it again. And we'll try to get even space in between those two. Okay. Now look at this. You go on back there. Get a bright color back. Let's do that one. Change this one to, let's see here. What do we want to change it to? You got these gradients here. Let's go with that one. No, I don't like that one. We'll go with a green. We'll go with a pinkish there, and we'll go with, let's see here. Let's see here. We will go, what do you think, a darker blue? You got your columns there, and you did the background yellow. Also, this one also, you download it as a PNG, current page 3, because that's what page I'm on here. Hit done. And you're going to make sure that's on your current page. Download as a PNG. Add a page. Your background's already there. I'm going to change this back to white. There we go. Change that back to white. Come over here. This is what just got downloaded. Drop that right in there. You're going to set your image as background. And you could go on down here like that. Just get rid of that there. There we go. Done. You do the same thing. Edit photo. Go to your blur effect. Whole image. You just get that intensity all the way up. And back out of it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. See what I mean? You got all these tools in Canva. It's beautiful. You can make different gradients. You can let Canva design your gradient. Yeah, that's one we just designed. That's Canva's. It's just all gorgeous. So let your imagination run wild. Canva's great. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my videos. I hope it helps. Please, if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this. I have a few more videos up, so please subscribe. Enjoy your day. Have fun with Canva. We'll see y'all soon. Yeah.